Hi, this is Christine Crowell here, and today I want to talk to you about how I was able to reclaim my business. And maybe you want to reclaim your business because the potential is here for you to reclaim your business with AI automation. And tonight I'm going to be going live at 7 p.m. I just wanted to let you know this. And you'll be able to learn about some of the AI tools that I used, for example, and that you can use that can transform your business operations and to boost growth and to save time and to reduce costs in your business. This will be real world strategies that I'll be sharing with you from an entrepreneur who's done it. And I want to invite you to look at this 60-minute transformational conversation about how you can discover AI tools that can give you back your life and scale your business efficiently. So I'm going to put the link here, and I'm going to be going through with you some training. I'll be talking about some training here, but also some practical AI implementation strategies that you can use. We're going to go through as well. There'll be an opportunity as well if you've got any questions, for example, Q&A opportunity. But I really want you to look at registering here, or just click the notification so that you get notified when I'll be going live tonight on YouTube, because I want to share with you about how AI saved my business and also, I believe, my life as well. And I know that's such a strong thing for me to say. Now, I'm going to share with you my personal story and loss and business challenge. It was a dramatic contrast between the past struggles and the current AI powered success that I now have. And I'll explain a bit about my story. I lost my twin brother through cancer. He was diagnosed in 2023. And I never forget that when I got the call to say that he was admitted into hospital, I was currently away in Malta at the time on a masterclass, and I was devastated. My business was very complex at that time. I had 23 staff members that I decided to take on because I knew that I needed to be there for my twin brother. So I was traveling back and forth to America, to Michigan, for example, to be with my twin brother, because I saw it as this way: we came in this world together, and I will be there for him when he takes his last breath. So I went about and hired these contractors from these agencies, for example, and it was quite an operational nightmare trying to deal with all the different time zones as well. It was emotional, but also I felt professionally, I felt burnt out as well. You know, imagine traveling long distances on a regular basis. It was like probably every 2-3 weeks I was traveling to be with my brother and staying there for 2-3 weeks at a time, for example. And that's why I needed to have these staff members from these agencies to do the workload, for example. But the turning point came for me was the decision to explore AI solutions. And I needed to get specific technological interventions in my business quickly. I needed to make radical business model transformation because it wasn't the business that I set out to do. Have you ever had that feeling that you had this dream about how your business is going to operate, and it didn't happen the way you wanted it to. You felt that the business was ruling you and your life. Fast forwarding on to today is that I've now managed to do a 70% cost reduction in my business. I live in Cyprus, and I moved to Cyprus in 2020, and when my brother fell ill, I was still in Cyprus, for example. But the AI has given me operational efficiency. I've reclaimed my personal time, and the shift from chasing money is now back to chasing my dream. And I feel I am living my dream now that I've always wanted. Because I thought when I was younger, I thought I was chasing the dream for money, but actually I was chasing the dream for time to be with my family, to be with my loved ones, to enjoy life, to enjoy this beautiful island that I live on, for example, and to appreciate what God's given me and my family and my friends. And that's where it shifted for me, because I always remember when I was 15 years old, holding my father's hand in New York, and I said, "Dad, I'm going to be a millionaire." And at that time, it was the money that I was chasing, not the dream of me just relaxed and enjoying life. It's not about the money. It's about the health and the wellness and the mindset, so that when we do have losses, we can cope better. And I believe that AI is doing that for me right now. It's given me time. It's shifted my thought processes. It's shifted it because I used to think I need to work hard to achieve that dream. But it's about working smarter to get that dream. The AI tools and the integration strategies has really helped me, and I've been dealing with this for since last year. For example, 2024, I've been dealing with how to implement it into my business, because I knew there had to be a better way. I felt if I was going to carry on that way, that I would literally probably have a breakdown. And I'm being honest with you. That's how I was feeling, very pressured because of the KPIs, because of the staff that I had, because of the workload that we had. It was becoming a stressful environment. I had 23 staff members. 23 staff members I had. It's like I'd gone back in time. I felt like I'd gone back into my agency mode, and I didn't feel fulfilled. Whereas I do feel fulfilled now. I know I wanted to serve my clients to the best of my ability and to support them when they're going through difficult times. I just spoke to one client today who's going through a difficult time, and I advised the client about, rather than chasing the money, let's look at what your dream life looks like. What is it? And then we build around that. What fits in with your dream life? And AI is part of that. I also spoke with another client today, and I said, you can reduce your cost by 70%. We don't need to be running around, working harder and not smarter anymore. We have AI to do this for you. Because clients are getting stressed. Because everyone's chasing the wrong dream. They're chasing the wrong dream. They're not chasing the dream of what they really want inside, from inside. And then it comes out. Instead of looking at what everyone else is doing, it's like you're in a bowl, a fish bowl, and everyone's swimming in the fishes. But where do the sharks swim? There's not many fishes, is there? But yet they're big. So I want to encourage you to think about AI tools, integrations into your business, creating strategies, practical implementation tips is what I'll be showing with you as well, and also the cost benefits analysis. That's why I say to book a free 15-minute to 30-minute appointment with me so that I can do a proper AI audit of your organizations, because there's so many tools out there. But healthcare, it depends what type of business you're doing. So you have to make sure that you've chosen the right one that's going to work for your business. And I want you to have a fulfilling life, for example, because I know myself when I had my agencies over 20 years, for example, my care businesses over 20 years, it was hard. It was really hard. If I could have implemented AI back then, wow, I would not have wasted so much money, because everything went on wages, basically. Wages, overheads. People think because you've created that you've got a 7-figure business that you're raking it in. It's not like that at all. You are working hard in your business and you are paying out all the time. And that's why I said about putting AI into your business so that you can create a safety net where you can save money each month of what you've saved, so that when you do get hit by a crisis or an unexpected expense, that you can still function and smile. Yeah, so I've told you about my personal story, my personal vulnerability, and I don't know what your vulnerability is within your business at the moment. But I want to be able to give you that technological empowerment. And I want you to be purpose-driven as an entrepreneur. And I want you to be able to learn about AI and what it can do for you. Look, the governments are talking about it. UK Prime Minister's talking about it. UK AI superpower. Donald Trump is talking about it with Stargate. 500 billion being invested into data centers. Now is the time for you to look at it, in order for you to look at how it can help you to get contracts, how it can help you to build on your client KPIs, for example, how you can look at getting client acquisition. It can do so much for you. And this is the reason why I'm here telling you about the reason why I'm talking about AI because there is a global space race going on. There is a global AI race going on. And they are wanting to dominate AI in the global marketplace. But you can dominate your business with AI. You can be in control of your business, not your business in control of you. You control the AI with what you put into the AI. And that's why I want to do these trainings with you, because I've been using it for a year and I literally have cut down my staff members to, we've got 4 now. I'm not including myself. So you can see the difference. I feel more lighter. I feel more refreshed. I feel more focused. I know what I want to achieve, and I know that I want to help my clients to get AI automation in their business to save money. And I don't want everyone to be chasing the same fish. Think about things that are low-hanging fruit. And I've got more trainings on that regarding contracts, that is. But there's so much with AI. And I just wanted to share that with you because I know a lot of you are like, what is AI? What do I do with AI? What does it mean? What does it cost? All of these things, this is the reason why I'm doing these trainings, to talk to you about all of these things. So I hope that you'll be able to join me tonight, because I'm going to be talking to you about AI again and how it can help you with getting smaller contracts. So please join me tonight, 7 p.m. UK time, 2 p.m. New York time, Atlanta time, for example, just to give you an idea, depending where you are in the world. And I would love to tell you about the benefits of AI and what it's done for me. I really would. And what it can do for you. Because take it from me, I'm 60 this year and I'm using AI. And if I can use it, so can you. All right, so I will speak with you all tonight. Join me. The link will be here somewhere. Join me. It will notify you if you haven't subscribed. Hit the subscribe button. Click like if you've liked this video. Any questions you've got, just put them in the chat and I'll answer them as best as I can. For example, if you also want to book a free 15-minute appointment online meeting via Zoom, we can do that. It's not a problem. I look forward to speaking with you later. Thank you so much for your subscribers, subscriptions, and also thank you for your likes. I do appreciate you. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. And I will see you tonight on the internet. Take care. Thank you. Bye.